So rather than just give you a boring old example from the workplace, we thought we'd go slightly intergalactic and go for a Star Wars example. So the organization level, let's flip over to the dark side. What is the Empire's objective? Well, we could give them an objective to rule the galaxy. And what would success look like? Well, it would be reducing Jedi numbers to 0, because that pretty much means that we will be ruling the galaxy. Increase stormtrooper numbers to 90,000, and then destroy 2 planets in Q3. All of those seem quite stretched targets, but they would certainly result in us achieving our objective of ruling the galaxy. Now, the challenge then is if you were to go down to a lower level and let's say go down to an individual stormtrooper, it becomes a little bit more challenging as to what your objective will be. You can't all be ruling the galaxy as your objective. You need something which contributes to that goal.